Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this camshaft mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. As you can see that I'm in assembly mode and I'm going to make all my parts here. So click on insert components, new part, select the front plane. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now I will draw some circles like this. Press escape. Now try this. By pressing Ctrl select this point, make it coincide. Now give them some smart dimensions. This is 10, this is 30, this is 15, this is 30. Escape. Select this point by pressing Ctrl. Select this point. Make it horizontal. Click on 3-point arc. Escape. Now what you have to do is select this and select this line. Make it tangential. Repeat the step here. Make sure it is tangential properly, else when you will try to do mating parts, it will not work. Click on mirror entities. Select this line. I want to mirror about this line. Click OK. Click on trim entities. Trim this line. Go to the features, extrude boss base. Click on the mid plane. Enter the thickness as per your requirement. In my case 15 mm is fine. Click OK. Now exit the additional component mode. Select the top plane of the assembly. Remember, from the assembly, click on here, click on center line. Draw the center line. Press escape. Exit the sketch mode. Select the front plane of the part and front plane of the assembly. Click OK. Select this line and select this. Make sure it's concentric. Click OK. Now what I've done is, now it can only rotate. I can't move this in these directions or up and down. So this is the purpose of the mate and this line coincident mate. Okay. Now I need one more part, that is follower. So let's make it. Click on here, new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. So what I will do, make like this and give it dimensions 90, 80, 5. Okay, default boss base. Now what I have to do is make sure that you draw a, in front plane, draw a single point, because I'm going to use this point left onwards. Now exit sketch mode and additional component mode. Notice it can move unwanted direction. I don't want it. So what I can do is, I select the front plane, click on sketch, draw a center line. The purpose of this center line is to make sure that this line is that this camshaft only move, oscillate up and down, nothing else. So what I can do is go to the mates, select this and this line, make sure it's concentric, click OK. And one more thing that I need to make sure that it doesn't rotate. So what I can do, I will select the front plane, click on mate and select the front plane of the assembly, click OK. Now first save all these things. Camshaft. Now what I will do, I will create a path. So select this part, click on edit components and I will select the front plane, click on sketch, select this face, click on convert entities, exit the sketch mode, edit subject component mode. Now what I will do, go to the mates, click on standard, make it coincide, select this point and uh, select this line. Okay, let's see how does it go. Not the way I want. Hmm. Clear selections. So I will use something called pathmate. So component vertex, select this point and path selection. Click on selection manager. Click on here loop. Select this. Click OK. Click close and notice it is working now fine. Now let's try to do the animation. Some people might wonder why, for example, why I am not using the cam type. I tried to use it, but for some reasons, Solidworks is crashing a lot. I don't know why. I tried 5 times, but unfortunately, it doesn't work for me. So how can I do the animation? So it's quite simple. All you have to do is go to the motion study, click on here, motor, select this face, enter the value of RPM as per your requirement. 20 RPM is fine. Increase the FPS rate. 30 FPS is good. This video is going to record at 24 FPS, so I will make it 24 FPS. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Click on this eye to hide all the unwanted sketches. And let's zoom out. Click on calculate. Let's do one more thing. If you want to learn in deep details how does animation motion analysis can be done in SolidWorks, check out my SolidWorks animation and motion analysis course, link in description. Now click on calculate. You can see how does it look like. If you want, you can add some color or material to it. It's up to you again. Matter. Let's add some polish gold. Looks good. And shiny galvanize. Eh, doesn't look that good. Polish bronze. No. Polish steel. Chromium plate. Okay, this looks fine. So let's try to do animation again. So I will click on play and you can see that how does it look like. So this is just a simple animation to show how to make a simple camshaft animation in SolidWorks. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you do, make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. And check out my some free and paid courses. Link in description. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.